Unattended death.
An unattended tap.
Lounging about, unattended.
Unattended, I will.
John Harrigan died unattended.
They cannot leave unattended.
Because that's unattended luggage.
Any unattended luggage.
See?
It orbits unattended, unnoticed.
A contender.
And your contender.
What's the contender?
Hey, you. The contender.
My leading contender?
It's a contender.
Without a ranked contender.
And he's definitely a contender.
Triathlon, winter sports, skeleton, Olympic contender.
Absolutely a contender for regionals.
Contentious.
Contentious relationship.
Things were very contentious.
They will be contentious.
Things got contentious.
Contentious history you two have.
To you when you're being so contentious. Listen.
Things can get quite contentious.
Lapses.
In case it grows contentious.
Very contentious relation.
Tone.
Dial tone.
Dial tone.
Tonal matrices woven together.
Tonal control, consonants and...
Radical semitonal is fine.
Imagine a sea of tonal reds.
Can you reverse that tonal translator?
The tonal change, it was really important.
She's helping us test the tonal translator.
True, but the tonal counterpoint is so pianissimo.
Another would be a series of tonal quality.
The planet is collapsing. I've tried all tonal combinations.
Tonic.
Catonic.
Vodka tonic.
Spring tonic.
Vodka tonic.
With
Tonic?
Tonic.
Serotonin.
Vodka tonic.
Hair tonic?
Baritone.
Baritone.
Soprano.
Is that sax alto or baritone?
Baritone.
That soothing baritone.
I've seen baritone-based singers.
He's a baritone.
their low baritone voices.
5 letters, blank baritone. Of course, lyric baritone, which is actually higher than a dramatic baritone.
Is your mother a baritone?
Sing.
Only if you sing tenor.
Tenor.
Tenor medium.
Tenor sax.
First bassoon, tenor trombones with the tenors.
Tenor, perchance, eh?
A tenor.
Tenor Andrea Bocelli.
Tenor.
Especially tenor sax.
Okay. Your intonation.
Same intonation, same tone.
With a slightly different intonation.
We need intonation, phonation, accuracy, and pitch.
Every word, including intonation and facial expressions. Okay, intonation, rise and fall was clear enough.
Your voice has 4 to 6 intonation patterns.
Oh my God, his intonation was so off. It was?
Now we'll practice diction and intonation at the same time.
Content.
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 Sowing the discontent.
Spelling loneliness and discontent.
It's led to grave discontent.
Time makes one discontent.
They became discontent again.
Zoila is a discontent.
France.
Every continent.
Maybe this continent.
Hell's across the continent.
To a continent.
Months long, continent wide.
Across the continent.
Traveling the continent.
Of the Western continent.
Continental. Yeah.
Continental breakfast.
Yes, from
Continental breakfast.
Oh, continental.
Oh, continental.
Hysteria.
With dementia. With incontinence. Osteoporosis, incontinence pads.
Urinary incontinence.
Hell yes, Brusco.
Doesn't explain the incontinence.
Your pop has incontinence.
Yeah, go gadget incontinent.
A tonic bladder leads to incontinence.
Gibbering terror and borderline incontinence.
Your imminent dementia and present incontinence.
Discontinue. Discontinue.
Continuing.
Discontinue.
Discontinue comic.
And then discontinue.
Continued that.
Yeah, but then...
Discontinue the lift. Discontinued HIV inhibitors. That color's discontinued.
Graceful countenance.
There's a Machiavellian countenance.
Your own countenance.
Countenance upon you.
Smiling countenance.
I'm completely out of countenance. With such an ugly countenance. Detention.
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 Tenet.
Tenet.
And I'm scared tenet. A tenet of our people.
Tenet was number 7, dear.
Tenet wasn't founded in the past.
I'm tenement slum.
Hashtag tenement life.
Tonight, at the new tenement club. You can enter the tenement next to me.
We lived in a tenement on Rivington.
A tenement in this particular area.
Rachel, should we hit up the tenement music? Like to a tenement on a pelting farm.
Tennis.
Tennis.
So.
Tennis.
Tennis?
Tennis.
No. Tennis.
Tennis.
Tennis, anyone?
Tennis. He means tennis. We played tennis once.
What tennis bracelet?
My tennis bracelet.
Your teacher.
Tenure. Okay. Fired, I've got tenure.
Well.
And tenured imbeciles. Fired, I've got tenure.
Well.
I got tenure. Tenure.
I'm dating a professor. Tenured?
Although
I'm a tenured professor.
Your teacher.
And tenured imbeciles.
I'm dating a professor. Tenured?
I'm a tenured professor.
But there is a tenured position.
Tenant.
Tenant has tenants?
Yeah.
No, Dad. Heads up, yeah. I think that's so gross. Just...
Lieutenant. Lieutenant! Lieutenant.
Lieutenant.
Lieutenant. Lieutenant.
Lieutenant.
Lieutenant.
Lieutenant.
Gracious. Kind.
She's tenacious.
He's tenacious.
Prelude.
Hardly a prelude to war.
Is often a prelude to war.
Probably as a prelude to colonization.
Are a prelude to further, darker change.
An enticing prelude to sexual foreplay.
Spanish interlude.
Eluded capture.
Eluded the Enterprise? Fleeing and eluding?
Who elude us? It eludes me. Well, perhaps you elude yourself, sir.
His fantasies elude me.
Our esoteric destinations eluded us. He has eluded us! You have eluded fate.
Has always eluded me.
They're elusive.
Sleep's elusive.
Elusive statue.
Elusive truths.
Elusive ingredient.
Name. Mysterious. Well, elusive.
Love is elusive. Love is elusive. Love elusive blue.
He's a very elusive suspect.
Illusion. Illusion?
An illusion.
Illusion, Michael.
Optical illusion.
Illusion, Megatron.
Illusion. Illusion. Ooh, illusion. An illusion.
Deluded.
Deluded.
Sir?
You're deluded. Poor, deluded man.
I'm 40.
Deluded.
Deluded.
Delusion.
Delusion.
Daydream delusion.
Another delusion.
Paranoid delusion.
Like a delusion of a delusion.
He appears to have a delusion.
A delusion?
Actually accept a delusion.
Tormented by delusion.
Quite disillusioned.
Disillusion?
Disillusions in Congress.
A disillusion. Despair.
Shocked and disillusioned.
This is most disillusioned. I am very disillusioned.
To target the disillusion.
How are you feeling?
Disillusioned.
Disillusioned, but a genius.
Disillusionment.
Disillusionment strikes.
And disillusionment.
Disillusionment, worry, anger.
The look of disillusionment.
Appointment, disillusionment, frustration, astonishment.
Disillusionment and depression begin with a whole lot of disillusionment thrown in.
I'm afraid Lisa's rage stems from extraordinary disillusionment.
Or disillusionment of time. I don't know.
Oh, I understand the illusion.
Subtle understanding of allegory and illusion.
No, stop it.
Hearing sly innuendo and allusion to his...
As in folklore, or an historical illusion, or tribal.
So, if you guys want to put an illusion in there somewhere. So, I want you guys to use your illusion, only now it's illusion with an A.
Ludicrous.
Ludicrous speed. Ludicrous speed.
This is ludicrous.
Tragically ludicrous? The ludicrously tragic?
That's ludicrous.
That's ludicrous.
Ludicrous.
Ludicrous mode.
Ludicrous!
This is ludicrous. This whole school is ludicrous.
Plays defense.
C word? But this is collusion.
It is not collusion because...
Collusion with the silence.
Slander, collusion, could...
That would be labeled collusion.
Absolutely no collusion. And there is no collusion.
There's a collusion with Russia.
What about dealer collusion?
Conspiracy and collusion with the Cylons.